beautiful short signal showed up today on this master indicator, allowing us to nail the exact top of this beautiful sell-off today. All right, guys and gals, so let's get into it. A lot of stuff to unpack today. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. You're going to learn one of the most powerful trading strategies of all time. And of course, if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber to the master indicator, then I know you had a huge profitable day today. Okay, now look, guys, here's where we got to start. All right, everybody out there has got their own take or their own theory on how to trade the market. All right, now my personal theory revolves 100% around trend trading. I believe that there's no powerful system in the world other than trend trading. Okay, I don't believe in scalping. I don't try to call tops and bottoms. All right, all I try to do is just follow the trend. And in order for me to follow the trend, I need to be able to identify the trend. And that's why this master volume indicator color band is priceless. Okay, and everybody who used the master indicator today, I know that you know what I'm talking about. Right? Nothing can beat the power of a trend trading system and a trend trading style. So what are you looking at, guys? Well, this is today's live price action chart on the NASDAQ. You know this is my most favorite symbol of all time. And yes, you can trade the NASDAQ on any asset class. You can trade it on Forex, you can trade it on futures, and yes, you can trade it on stocks and options. It's all good. All right, and what you're seeing on the chart right now, all right, this green and red color band, this is the master indicator, simply known as the vol. All right, this green and red color band can detect the starting points of trends in the market. Okay, as an example, earlier in the morning today, the thing identified a green, aka bullish trend starting point right here. Okay, and yes, whenever you see this happen, there's a higher chance than not that the market's going to go up. And wouldn't you know it, just 1 hour later, the system identified a bearish trend change right here at this exact moment in time. You see where this color band turns red? Okay, and what this alerts you to is that the trend has changed, and now that there's a better chance than not that the market's going to start trending down. And boy, did it start trending down. All right, I mean, this sell-off was magnificent. Okay, now let me really dial you in, okay, to the moment of truth on how and why this indicator nailed the exact top. All right, so first let me go ahead and get you dialed in. All right, I like to really zoom in here, really make sure you guys understand what you're seeing. Okay, so first piece of business, you know that we have to pay attention on the color change. That tells us that there is a new directional bias in the market, aka to the short side. All right, but just because the band changes color does not mean we randomly go in and start buying it here on this bar, right? We need to wait for something called a retracement. So if I isolate the exact moment in time that the trend changed to the short side, which was on this bar, okay, that's not enough. We also need to see the retracement, aka we want to see the market pull back, pull back, pull back, and kaboom! Give us one of these. All right, guys and gals, this is the perfect setup. My goodness, if I could say this once, I could say this 1,000 times. We want to see a red bar that closes against the red color band, and this red bar's got to be above the band, okay? And there you have it. The condition's true. This is the retracement signal, okay? Now you can feel confident in potentially opening your short trade. And how would that look? Well, we would potentially look to go short this market on the open of the next bar, right? Our stop loss would get placed 1 or 2 ticks or pips, if you're following along in Forex, all right, above the signal bar's high. All right, and this spacing here represents the risk on the trade. And guys and gals, you know how we do. Once we're in that trade, we need to let the market do the heavy lifting and the dirty work for us. All right, we want to see the market immediately start trending down, establishing that downtrend. And in today's trade, we were in the money within 10 minutes of opening the trade. All right, And of course, guys and gals, if I squish this out here and zoom out and see how this trade played out, my goodness, man, this was a potential 1,000 tick or pip move by simply following and participating in the trend. Right? And we got in all the way back here, just nailing the exact top. So if you're not convinced, man, that a trend trading system works and a trend trading system is consistent, and more importantly, a trend trading system can make an immediate potential impact on your trading, right? If you're not convinced of any of those things today, then you'll never be convinced, right? Because anybody who used the master indicator today on the NASDAQ or any of these other symbols, the S&P, the Dow, the Russell, oil, gold, it was a sell-off for the ages, and this master indicator simply crushed it in the market today, while all the other retail traders and amateur traders and goofballs got destroyed trying to go long or trying to buy this market. If you tried to buy this market today while it was so clearly and obviously red, shame on you, right? And you want to know what's funny? Look at all these other retracements here. Look at this pullback right there. Another setup. Right there, another setup. Right here, 2 more setups. All the way, ladies and gentlemen, right? All the way. But we nailed it to the exact tick at the session high. So I want to say congrats to all of my new customers and clients who recently signed up and joined the program. My goodness, you could not have asked for a better time to get started trading the market. A day like today's probably going to make your entire month, and I simply cannot wait to see what this master indicator is going to give us tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.